Welcome to the lesson number 3 of Pegasus CAD/CAM program. Today I'm going to show you and teach you how to create a tool that has a special profile. As you can see here, I have already prepared a few examples with the section profile of the tool. We're gonna go and select New Tool. In here we're gonna select the icon that say User Profile. When we selected this command, the program is asking me to select the profile that we want to use to create the tool. Let's say, for example, that we're gonna select this profile. The next question is select offset point, which means the point on which the tool is going to compensate. It's going to be, for example, in this case, this point. The program is going to show me the dimension of the tool, and if we agree, we say OK. Now we have opened a new menu. In here we're going to write down all the information that are missing. For example, like the name, the number of the tool, eventually the D function, as we have seen already, the type of water, and the simulation color. If we want to select also the holder, we select command yes, and we select from here the type, in this case shaped tool holder. The dimension we have already, but we can select eventually the definition of support, for example 35 millimeters, and the size of everything, for example 50. We can also here select and define the dimension of the metal part of the tool, if it's going to spin clockwise or counterclockwise, and the feed rate, and spin of spindle. Eventually, if the tool that we are defining is a polishing tool, we can also define the wearing tool. Pressing OK, the tool is being defined. If we select it, we're going to see that our tool is being defined. Now I'm going to show you how to define a tool holder. Selecting this command, we're going to add the menu regarding the tool holder. If we want to create a new one, we select this icon. Pressing the icon is going to ask me to select the section of the tool holder that we want to create, that I have prepared previously. It's going to ask me the name, and immediately I have defined the tool holder. As you can see, is appearing in the list here. Now I'm going to show you how to create a carter. The first thing we have to do is to make sure that we have all the sections of the carter that we want to define, or we have the 3 dimension. In my case, I have decided to use the 3D dimension carter, as you can see. Now I'm going to show you how to define a carter. First of all, you have to press the icon that defines the carter definition. As we can see, now we are in the menu of the carter list. We have a 2 types of definition: by profiling, so the section of the carter, or if we have the 3D dimensional carter. In my case, I have the 3-dimensional carter, so I select this icon. Now the program is asking me to select the carter, and I'm going to be selecting. And it's going to ask me the point of contact with the disk. This is very important. When you create a carter in 3 dimensions, you must make sure that the point of contact of the disk with the carter has to be in position 0, 0. Now the program is asking me the name, and the job is done. If we open here and we select it, we're gonna see that our cart is being defined.